an ancient village in eastern China, known for its picturesque landscape and archaic structures, is gaining fame for how its residents beat poverty and embrace rural revitalization. Sanjianqi village in Jinan, Shandong province is widely regarded as a model of rural governance, and in its quest for revitalization, talent has played a role. "45-year-old Wang Yuanhu is a native of Sanjianqi village. 15 years ago, a decision he made altered the course of his life forever.
我学了这个畜牧兽医，我也想做生态养殖啊。所以说我们村将来肯定是发展的不错，现在想做一个生态农业，所以说一拍即合了。
Much to the surprise of many, Wang quit a decent job in Beijing and became the first university graduate to return to work in the village. Back then, Sanjianqi was notoriously poor, with its collective debt topping 800,000 yuan. There had been a persistent brain drain, and very few of those who left chose to return. After starting his own business, Wang once faced funding difficulties. The village party chief, Gao Shuzhen, came to his aid and secured around 1 million yuan in loans with her own guarantee, which helped Wang stay afloat.
他帮我们流转土地，解决水电路，所以一步一步的我们这么发展起来。
Gao, a former high school teacher, assumed the post of Sanjianqi's party secretary in 2004. Since then, she has made it her mission to help fellow villagers out of poverty. With policy support from the central government, Gao has managed to secure funding to build new roads, develop modern agriculture and industries, and explore Sanjianqi's cultural heritage to develop tourism. In the meantime, more young talent like Wang has been lured back to their hometown.
首先帮助年轻人解决后顾之忧，叫他干谁得安心，帮助贷款呀，帮助协调政府的支持资金呀。第二个呢，把本村的这年轻人给他搭建平台，就能让这年轻孩子能留住。
After making strenuous efforts, Sanjianqi got rid of poverty in 2015. The village now has taller buildings, wider roads, and thriving industries. And rural revitalization is in full swing, with young talent playing an important role. So far, more than 200 young people have been attracted to Sanjianqi, including some from other provinces. Each of them has found their niche, contributing their vigor, expertise, and creative minds.
村里给了我们这些年轻的创业者一些政策上还有经济上的一些支持，然后我们年轻人也是抓住了这个新媒体时代的这个契机，然后通过我的摄像机把它拍出来，把我们真正无公害的产品呢就把它给推广出去。
我感觉他们这边的做事的风格来历风行也确实在为民办事，所以我感觉我选的这个地方是不会错的。
发现这个三线西村呢，这个非常适合我们投资这个儿童娱乐项目。再一个就是与这个周边这个城镇啊也是结合的比较近，然后呢也更能吸引一些人们来过来游玩。
In 2021, the 5-yearly village cadre election was held in Sanjianqi. The 5 newly elected officials had an average age of 35, 2 of them are university graduates.
我们村子为了吸引年轻人来三线西村落户，我们围绕着3个有事做的工作：有机会、有收入、有生活，让年轻人有大展身手的舞台。挣的不能比他之前在城里少，能够享受到还像城市一样生活便利的条件。
不仅仅是这个让他回来干，更重要的是营造良好的氛围，叫他享受，是吧？叫他做到人人有责、人人尽责、人人享有的这样的氛围。社会治理共同体嘛，年轻人这种主人翁的意识啊，这个越来越强。这是我这个感到农村支部书记越来越带劲，就是这是我看到的希望。